and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make sausage links in the oven. It is a super easy way to make sausage links. There's very little prep, very little cleanup, and you basically just put the sausage links on a baking tray, pop them in the oven, and they're done. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos that are super simple and easy and delicious recipes to follow. So you want to cover your baking dish in some aluminum foil or a Silpat or some parchment paper, whatever you have, just because then it makes cleanup a lot easier. If you cover your entire baking sheet, then you don't really have to clean your baking sheet. You just kind of wrap it all up and throw it away. You also want to make sure that you spread these out so that they're not touching, so that the heat can circulate really well and get as many of the sides as possible. You want to cook these to about 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. When you're cooking these sausage links, if you're checking to make sure that they're getting done all the way, it's best to use a quick read thermometer. You just want to cook the sausage links until they reach an internal temperature of 165. You do want to let these rest for a couple minutes before you eat them. Like, you pull them out of the oven, you don't want to eat them right away. You want to let them sit for a couple minutes because they are super hot